Okay, here I am in the barn. You can hear the very noisy lambs. These 4 are the oldest that were born in January, and they weigh about 70 to 80 pounds. Now there's 3 more babies that are supposed to be in this part of the barn, but they're hanging out with their moms. And I'll walk outside and you'll be able to see them. Well, hang on, it's raining, so I gotta be fast. See, there they are. They're very noisy. There's 7 mamas and 3 babies that can go through here next to the little red gate, and they can come into the barn. But the moms can stay outside now, and they don't need any more extra feed. But the babies can come in. Oh, look at this one's gonna try and come in, I think. The babies can come in and get their extra feed, which if we let the mamas come in and do that, they would eat all of it. So we have a hole cut in the gate and the babies can come in the gate. I don't know if she's gonna come in or not. Actually, it's a boy. It has a little green tag. Oh, there he goes. The green tags are boys and the pink tags are girls. All right, let's see what else we can find in the barn. Back in the barn we go. Oh, there he is. See, he's standing by his food. All right, if we go on this side, because we don't want to scare him back outside, you might see the cats. Oh yeah, on the big bale, here's some cats. 2 of them. They're kind of cute. They're kind of friendly. They like to be in the barn on the hay. Okay, you might have guessed, but today's story is about some farm animals. So let me grab my book. And it's called My Farm Friends. Let's see if the cats will leave it alone. Okay, My Farm Friends. Written by Wendell Meitner. Welcome to the farm. All kinds of animals live on the farm. Some live outside, some live in the barn. Furry ones, feathered ones, woolly ones. Some things that they do just might surprise you. Roosters crow all day long. They say, cock-a-doodle-doo, when it's in the early morning. Will you cock-a-doodle too? Pigs can sweat or jump in a pool. So they roll in the... Oh, I got that wrong. Pigs can't sweat or jump in a pool. So they roll in the mud. That's how they stay cool. Billy Goat. Silly goat chews everything just because he's curious. And when he nibbles at your clothes, it might make you furious. Looks like he got the red handkerchief there. Turkeys can be very friendly, sometimes sitting in your lap. They even purr when they're content, just like a kitty cat. Cats work hard on the farm, chasing mice from the barn. They also spend much time at rest. Sometimes a lamb's back is the best. Cows drink a bathtub full of water to produce milk every day. But suppose you tried to take a bath and a cow got in your way. Chickens take dust baths and wear a comb on their head. Chickens come in many colors, but their combs are always red. Sheep are gentle creatures who get nervous when alone, but when they find their flock, they feel happy and at home. Horses eat hay, and horses say nay. They sleep standing up. Could you sleep that way? Lots of baby animals live on the farm too, and guess what? They would all love to have a visit from you. That's the end of our story. There's those cute lambs. All right, have a good night, everybody. I will read you another story tomorrow.